self-excited DC motor. Self-excited DC motors are types of DC motor in which the field winding is powered from the motor's own armature instead of an external source. The main types of self-excited DC motors are classified based on how the field winding is connected to the armature winding. The types of self-excited DC motor are shunt wound DC motor, series wound DC motor, and compound wound DC motor. Compound wound DC motor has short shunt DC motor and long shunt DC motors. Shunt wound DC motor is types of self-excited DC motor which has the field winding is connected in parallel with the armature winding. The parameter of shunt wound DC motor are field current, supply current, back EMF, armature resistance, supply voltage, field resistance, and armature current. Here there are some calculation formula of shunt wound DC motors, which are field current equal to the field voltage over field resistance, armature current equal to the supply current minus field current, back EMF equal to the armature current times armature resistance, supply voltage equal to the back EMF plus armature resistance times armature current. Power developed in the armature winding will be equal to the back EMF times armature current. Supply power or power input equal to the supply voltage times supply current. Series wound DC motor, the field winding is connected in series with the armature winding. The parameters of series wound DC motor is series field current, supply current, back EMF, armature resistance, supply voltage, series field resistance, and the armature current. Formula or calculation formula of series wound DC motor are armature current equal supply current equal to the series current, back EMF will be equal to the supply voltage minus armature current times the armature resistance plus armature current times series resistance. Supply voltage will be equal to the back EMF plus voltage drop in armature plus voltage drop in series field winding. Power developed in armature winding will be equal to the back EMF times armature current. Input power will be equal to the supply voltage times supply current. Compound wound DC motors is type of DC motor having both shunt and field windings is called a compound wound DC motor. There are two types, which are short shunt and long shunt. Short shunt compound calculation formula. Shunt it has shunt field winding is connected across the armature only. Some calculation of this type of self-excited DC motor are field winding is equal to the supply voltage minus series current times series resistance over field resistance. Armature current equal to the supply current minus field current. Back EMF will be equal to the supply voltage minus armature current times armature resistance minus series current times series resistance. Supply voltage will be equal to the back EMF plus armature current times armature resistance plus series current plus times series resistance. Power developed in armature will be equal to the back EMF times armature current. Input power will be equal to the supply voltage times supply current. Long shunt compound DC motor. Long shunt compound wound DC motor calculation formula. This type of self-excited DC motor shunt field winding is across both armature and series field winding. Field current equal to the field voltage over field resistance. Armature current equal to the supply current minus field current. Back EMF will be equal to the supply voltage minus I armature times resistance in armature plus R series times I armature. Back EMF will be equal to the back EMF plus armature current times armature resistance plus armature current times series resistance. Power developed in armature will be equal to the back EMF times the armature current. Also, input power will be equal to the supply voltage times the supply current. Thank you.